You see it? Oh, look. There's a round water knob. You see the round water knob?
Yeah.
Beside of it, there's a one that's straight. You see it?
There's a... You mean on top of it? Oh, no, I see it. Okay, it's a little. I follow it.
Turn it.
Which way, right or left?
Whichever way it'll turn.
Oh, I don't think it'll turn anyway.
Shit, I know it will.
It won't.
Well, then it ain't the right one.
You want me to go down there and grab it?
I can't believe she can't see that. Hell, Savannah, I can't even get turned around to show. Move. Move your hand. Move your hand. See my light?
It's good to see you.
Savannah, don't be so dumb.
I'm not!
Twist it sideways.
It won't twist sideways. You try it. It won't twist
Let me
sideways.
see this.
This
Hold my
one right
phone
here, it
good.
won't twist sideways. Oh,
I got it.
Savannah,
what?
bring me a stick and come here. Turn it off, turn it off, turn it off. Sam,
Is it licking?
I don't know what's going on. Go see if the water's turned on in that bathtub or what. JJ, leave that off. And my stupid lights burn out or
Go
something.
do it.
Is she going?
She thought she meant for me to do it.
Now, when I tell you to turn that on, you turn it on. Are you up there? Turn them on. Hey, JJ, turn that water on.
Turn it on.
Try both of them. Turn them off. JJ's water still on?
Yeah.
Girl, you better learn what sideways means.
Well, when you said sideways, I thought you meant like this, not like this.
Holy shit.
It's okay, Bill.
I've never done these things.
Well,
It's okay.
the other way. Hey, Mom, go! Oh, shit! Turn it off! Turn it off! Turn it off!
Did you?
Yeah.
I guess that wasn't cured yet. Dadgummit.
That was hilarious.
Why?
No, it wasn't hilarious.
And then you said the S word.
Shit.
Yeah, as you can see, she didn't quite glue it good enough.
Hey, yeah, I don't think it was dry. Bunch of honey. I wish I could get that off of there.
Haven't we already tried this?
Well, I got to get it off. That's my problem right there.
Well, I can't help what you gotta do. All I know is it ain't happening.
Hopefully that other didn't undo over there.
Well, I'm gonna guess that everything up through there is wet, and getting up in there is gonna be a hard time. It'll be slippery. Oh, geez, something happened there.
Well, people gonna have not run the hot water. That looks okay, man. I can't tell if it water come down it or just sprayed everywhere. Shit. me a flashlight, it'll burn.
It burns, you just turn it off.
No, I didn't. Every time I do it, look, it goes off.
Well, this is the only flashlight we got.
Well, you better go find me one. JJ, is that off?
Yes. I think. Yeah, it is. You know what it sucked? If it wasn't and you got sprayed again.
Oh.
Say again.
You have to lay that down to get it to reach.
What? I can get it.
What's blocking my light, JJ? Is it you?
Yes.